Hey Harris, you want to go find some trains? Look, Harris, a tractor. That's just like your toys. We better stop before we cross the street. If there's a green man, it's safe to cross. Otherwise, we gotta look both ways. First to the right, then look left. When it's clear, we cross. I wonder what other vehicles we'll see while we look for trains. Y'all keep your eyes open. Oh wow, a police car. Look, a taxi. Can y'all whistle to hail a cab? Look, Harris, the train tracks. But now we have to wait for a train. What other vehicles might we see while we wait? Count the buses with me. One bus. Two buses. Three buses. Watch the lights, and when they're flashing red, stay far away. Here comes the train. You better stay far behind the red arm. That was awesome, but that train went so fast. Let's take a look again in slow motion. That train was really cool. Let's go find another one.
Surprise!
Oh wow, cows! Do y'all know what sound a cow makes? That's right, cows say moo, but I don't think they kiss. Oh wow, this park is cool, but let's go find another train, Harris.
Surprise!
Wow, look at that guy painting a house. Come on, Harris, I know where we can find another train. That was amazing. Good thing we were safe behind the fence. You want to find one more train? Okay, let's wait. Look, the red light means stop. We're safe back here behind the fence. Harris and I had a blast watching 3 trains with y'all. Thanks for watching our video at Texicans and Toys. Please make sure you subscribe and like the video and help our channel grow. See y'all later.